Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create GoHighLevel contact for Ticket Tailor order. So I am an owner of a business and I'm selling the tickets for the events that I'm organizing with the help of Ticket Tailor. My objective is that whenever a new ticket is being ordered with the help of Ticket Tailor by any of my customers, automatically a contact of that same customer should be created in my GoHighLevel account. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to simply create an automation between Ticket Tailor and GoHighLevel with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn how to do this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create GoHighLevel contact for Ticket Tailor order. So I'm an owner of a business and I'm recently organizing an event and I'm selling the tickets of my event with the help of Ticket Tailor. So my objective is that whenever a new ticket order has been placed with the help of Ticket Tailor by any of my customers, automatically I want to create a contact of that same customer in my GoHighLevel account. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Ticket Tailor and GoHighLevel with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on the top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as How to Create GoHighLevel Contact for Ticket Tailor Order. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, over here it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down arrow and these are the folders from which I'm going to select GoHighLevel Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of How to Create GoHighLevel Contact for Ticket Tailor Order, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these 2 concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we are going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step, and for the trigger application, we are going to select it as Ticket Tailor. So we're going to select our trigger application as Ticket Tailor. And for the trigger event, we are going to select it as New Ticket Order, as our objective is that whenever a new ticket order is being done by any of our customers, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we are going to connect Ticket Tailor to Pabbly Connect. For that, firstly copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, to follow the steps given here below in the help desk in order to connect Ticket Tailor to Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do is we're going to open our Ticket Tailor account. As you can see that this is my Ticket Tailor account right over here, and now we're going to connect this account with Pabbly Connect. For that, click on Box Office Settings right over here. As soon as you click on Settings, you can see this page is going to appear. From the left side of the panel, you have to click on API. After clicking on API, you can see it says Webhooks. We are going to click on it, and now we are going to create a new webhook by clicking on this button. A new dialog box is then going to appear. For the event, we are going to select it as Order Being Created. For the status, we are going to select it as Active, and for the URL, we are going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. After filling the details, we are going to click on Create to create a webhook. As you can see that over here it says Webhook created successfully. So now I'm going to open my workflow that I've created, and over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now as we have connected Ticket Tailor to Pabbly Connect with the help of the webhook, we are going to check whether the connection is successful or not. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new ticket order. We are going to create a test ticket order with the help of Ticket Tailor, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response or not. For that, I'm going to open the event that I've created with the help of Ticket Tailor. As you can see that this is the event that I've created in the name of PabbCon webinar. So this is the event that I've created, and I'm selling the ticket of this event with the help of Ticket Tailor. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do a dummy purchase of this this event tickets right over here, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the purchase or not. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to purchase, we're going to select the tickets by click on this button. As this is the event, I'm going to click on next. Over here, next after that, it is asking for the details of the customer who is purchasing. For the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as person45. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testperson45@pabblytuts.com. For the email over here, I'm going to copy this email right away and paste it. And for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on next to book the ticket. As you can see over here, it says the order is completed. That means it's fully ordered with the help of Ticket Tailor for our event. So as we have done that, we're going to open our workflow that we have created. We're going to scroll down, and yes, as you can see right over here, a response is captured in our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so we're going to tally the response that is captured in our Pabbly Connect account. For the name of our customer being testperson45, for the email as testperson45@pabblytuts.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number, and all the other details. So this means that we successfully connected Ticket Tailor to Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. So now whenever a new ticket order has been placed by any of our customers with the help of Ticket Tailor, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. For that, click on this arrow, and for the action application, we are going to select it as Lead Connector V2. We're going to select our action application as Lead Connector V2. Lead Connector V2 is GoHighLevel. So we have to select our action application as Lead Connector V2. Okay. Next, for the action event, we're going to select it as Create Contact, as we want to create a contact in a GoHighLevel account whenever a new ticket order has been placed with the help of Ticket Tailor. Okay. So after selecting the action application and the event, let's click on Connect in order to connect GoHighLevel to Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear on which click on Add New Connection, but if you want, you can select the existing connection. After that, click on Connect with Lead Connector V2. As you can see that we successfully authorized Lead Connector V2 to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, firstly it is asking for the first name of our contact. For the first name of our contact, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step, so we are going to insert the data from the previous step of our workflow. And how we are going to map the data? As soon as we click on this field, it says Ticket Tailor New Ticket Order. This was the previous step of this workflow, and as soon as you click on this arrow, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here we are looking for the first name of our customer, so we're going to search for the first name. So as you can see, that is the first name of our customer. I'm going to select the data from the previous response. As I've selected the data is mapped, and as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the data right away in place of this map data is going to be updated. Okay, in a similar manner, we're going to map the data for the last name of our customer, so we're going to map the data right over here. We're going to map the data for the full name. We're going to map the data of the full name of our customer. I'm going to map the data. For the email, we're going to map the data of the email of our customer in a similar manner. I'm going to map the data of the email of my customer. Next, it is asking for the location ID. I do not require the step, so I'm going to skip the part. Okay. Next, over here, it is asking for the phone number. So we're going to map the data of the phone number of our customer. So I'm going to map the data. Next, it is asking for the address, city, state, country, postal code, tags, and all the other details. I do not require these fields, so I'm going to skip the part. But if you want, you can enter the details over here in place of these fields according to your requirement. Okay, so I'm going to skip the part and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As I have done that, you can see a response is received, and the response that we have received is a positive response, as we have also received a contact ID. So now I'm going to open my GoHighLevel account and I'm going to check whether a new contact is created in my GoHighLevel account or not. For that, I'm going to open my GoHighLevel account. So this is the contact page of my GoHighLevel account. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page over here, you can see a new contact is added in my GoHighLevel account in the name of testperson45. I'm going to open this contact. The first name of the person is Test, last name is person45, email as testperson45@pabblytuts.com. for the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Ticket Tailor and GoHighLevel with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase another ticket with the help of Ticket Tailor, and I'm going to check whether the contact of that customer who have done the purchase is created in my GoHighLevel account or not. For that, we are going to do another purchase with the help of Ticket Tailor. So as you can see that this is the name of my event, that is PabbCon webinar, and we're going to do a purchase right over here by clicking on select tickets. Over here it is asking for the details of my customer, so I'm going to fill in the details. So as you can see that these are the details of my customer who's doing the purchase. For the first name as Smart, last name as Person12, email as smartperson12@pabblyconnect.com. For the repeat email, the same email, and for the phone number, a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on next and do the purchase. As you can see that over here it says the order is completed. That means we successfully purchased the ticket with the help of Ticket Tailor. So now I'm going to open my GoHighLevel account and I'm going to check whether a contact in the name of Smart Person12 is created in my GoHighLevel account or not. For that I'm going to open my GoHighLevel account. So this is the contacts page of my GoHighLevel account. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see a new contact has now been created in my GoHighLevel account. I'm going to open this contact. For the first name as Smart, last name as Person12, email as smartperson12@pabblyconnect.com. For the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we have successfully created an automation between Ticket Tailor and GoHighLevel with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I'm recently organizing an event and I'm selling the tickets of the event with the help of Ticket Tailor. My objective is that as soon as a new ticket order has been placed by any of my customers with the help of Ticket Tailor, automatically I want to create a contact of that same customer in my GoHighLevel account. For that what we have done is we simply created an automation between Ticket Tailor and GoHighLevel with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how we create this amazing automation. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.